is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration. The theme for this month of September is fall. Fall has just arrived in Michigan. Well, it's arrived everywhere, but you know what I mean. That's where I'm at, is in southeastern Michigan. I have started without you. I have put a strip of leaves down the pinky finger. On the index finger, I have got a bundle of leaves on the ground, and I have got, the Harvest Moon. To make the Harvest Moon, I used the blue opaque for the sky from She Modern. For the moon itself, I used the white opaque. Great, great products. You can get those on SheModern.com. The water decals, where are they? Where are they? Came off this sheet here. I most likely got it off AliExpress, so I don't have a link for it. I'm terribly sorry. She Modern's link is down in the description box. There will be a link pinned in the first comment, or the first comment, and that will be the playlist for everybody's video that took part. Please check that out and give everybody full view. Show your support and your love, because everybody would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I have went ahead and put some, what did I use? I used some grip gel, which is for foils, because I'm going to be using the water decal foils here. That's what I'm going to use this design on the ring finger. I'm going to be putting this beautiful, beautiful mix made by Tammy's Manny's. It is called Autumn Sunset. It has got circles and hexes, and there's gold in there, and there's a hint of pink, which would be the sunset. So that's what we're using, but what their background color is by Beetles Gel Polish, number 449. Our top coat, since we're using Beetles, I'm also going to use their No Wipe top coat called Top It Off. Where am I? Where am I? So that's what we're doing. So I've got that on. I'm going to pick up my water decals with my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology. Dab it off on something lint free. Center where you want it on the nail. I'm going to get my silicone tool to smooth it out, to get out any wrinkles, any lumps or bumps, air bubbles, water bubbles, anything of that sort. I did score it along the side so it would curve with the nail. So, on the middle finger, I'm also going to take my Ice Cube Stamper, and I've got an owl and two pumpkins here. So that's what I'm doing on this finger. I'm going to, as you can see, gonna center the owl near the top. And we're gonna get us a pumpkin, because it's that time of the year. I can't see the decal. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. I gotta try and find the stem. Okay, here we go. And our other. Find the stem. And apply it to the nail. Get your silicone tool and smooth out no air or water bubbles. You might want to dab it to get some water off. I think that looks really super cute. What do you think? I think it looks really cute. So now, on here, the ring finger. Get rid of this. Whoops. We are going to be using another She Modern product called Glue Gel for dry coloring pigment glitter. They have a new bottle and design. Wipe one side of your brush off real well. Let the first bead drop off. Fan your brush out to get better coverage. This is a little bit of a tutorial on products here. I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds in my lamp. I am. I think we are done with the Ice Cube stamper. We can put that away. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos. Everything I upload generally 3 times a week, but when there's a collaboration it could be 4 to 5 times a week, so you never know. You never know. So when this one comes out of the lamp, we're going to be applying the beautiful glitter. Oh, when you subscribe, sorry I'm just all over the place this morning. When you subscribe, please click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. This isn't working the way I wanted it to. And you want to get notified, don't you? I want you to. I've got 2 little leaves off to the side over here if I can get them picked up. These were also sent to me by Tammy's Manny's. I'm going to put this back in the lamp. I always do this with glitter and pigments. Put them back in the lamp for 30 seconds just to get them to adhere into the glue better. Just something I started doing. I've never seen anyone else do it. You know, it's just to cure one time and there you go. But I don't know, I like to do twice. To me it seems like it adheres better in the glue so that when you do wipe it off, you're not wiping anything off. It's already stuck all in the glue. Like, literally. Let me get my brush. Where's my brush? See, what glitter is there is what was there before. So I'm going to start top coating everything. I think this is really cute for fall. Really cute. I'm going to put some gemstones on too. A couple of the nails. So I got my Beetles top coat. It is a no wipe gel. Wipe the backside of your brush off a couple times real well. You don't need a sloppy nail. You just want it properly coated. Move on to my glitter nail. This one I'm not going to wipe the brush off so much because glitter just has a tendency to drink up the top coat. I have no idea what that noise was. Don't even know if you heard it. I'm going to cap the end of my nails. Top coat my owl. Really like how this mani turned out. It's really quick, easy. If you have all the products that you need, I should say. Some PR items may or may not be used in this video. They have to put that disclaimer in there, I guess you might want to call it. YouTube has changed their rules. Before you didn't have to say if it was PR products, and now you do, and so you'll see the bubble up in the beginning of the video probably where, whoops, it will have where it says PR items may be used in this video. I am going to fix my bling. I'm just going to put it on first. Whoops. It will stick, I promise. Gonna center these, or space them properly, in my opinion. Should probably put one with the, put a couple in the glitter mix here. Oops. You know, should we put any other with the owl? I kind of think not. Huh. Decisions, decisions, decisions. But I can't leave this nail out. Kind of wouldn't be right. You know what I mean? Burn. So, well, this doesn't look right. This one wants to slide off the nail. Okay, I'm going to hurry and pop these in the lamp, slide them in slowly. Here for 60, and I will be right back. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Here's my second Fall Mani of 2020. This is for Glitter Girls. Hope you all like. I think it's really super cute. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you wear them? I would. I think they're super cute. You got your little phrase over here, your harvest moon, your owl, your bling and your glitter, and then your leaves. Gotta have your leaves and your pumpkins and everything for fall. Super cute, I say. Well, don't forget, watch everybody's video that is pinned in the comments. Subscribe to them if you haven't already. Like, share, comment, show some love and support. Make sure you play the commercials. You guys all help get me here to be monetized, and that's part of being monetized is having the commercials, so please play them. That's what helps us, you know, and the more coin I make, the more products I can buy for my channel. It's just what it boils down to. So I ask you once again to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, let me know that you were here. Sing out to me. Have a blessed day and thank you.